guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC and your PC screen to your iPhone and control it wirelessly. So let's get started. So before we start, you need to connect your both devices with the same Wi-Fi network. And then you need to install the two applications, one in your PC and one in your iPhone. First we will install the application in our PC. Open any web browser on your PC. In the Google, here you need to search apower and open the official website of the apower and then click on download now button. So it will quickly download this application. Okay, so this is very lightweight application. Download it. After download it, double click and install this and then simply open the app on your PC. And on your iPhone, you need to open the App Store. In the App Store, here you need to search apower mirror. Download and install this application. And also you need to open the same application on your phone as well. Now, if you want to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC, here open the notification control center on your iPhone, and here you can get the screen mirroring option or screencast option. Open it. From here, it will automatically detect your PC name apower. Open it, tap on it like this. So it will take some second and it will quickly mirror your iPhone screen to your PC screen. As you can see guys, if you want full screen view, here you can get the option of full screen. Click on it. Now as you can see guys, your full iPhone screen was mirrored to your PC screen. This is very fast and very quick, so you can easily able to show your presentation or other official work from iPhone to your PC screen. So this is the way to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC. Now, if you want to mirror your PC screen to your iPhone, so same method you need to follow. First, you need to disconnect this. Okay. Also, you can get some other option as well. You can check it out by your side. So I will first disconnect this. Once again, open the same application on your both devices. In your phone, here you can get one option, local cast. Just tap on it. So it will take some time to detect your nearby devices and then it will show your PC screen name. Just tap on it and now here you can get the option mirror phone to PC, mirror PC to phone. You need to select this option. Now it will quickly mirror your PC screen on your iPhone. As you can see guys, not only mirroring, you can fully able to control your PC from your iPhone as well. As you can see guys, I will open this PC or any other application. Everything is working very perfectly fine and very smooth. As you can see guys, whatever option, whatever file setting you want to open, you can easily able to open it from your phone screen only. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. Okay, if you want to exit, just tap on this power button. It will exit from your screen mirroring. So that's how you can easily able to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC and PC screen to your iPhone wirelessly for free. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.